Horses out. We have midnight break. Past the begin. Moving a party out. So now is Nabreka. Zalinas comes next. Emergency call. Woodsy Ribbon also moving up. Jai Ho. Midnight break and Biba Bola is the early trailer. We have Nabreka by about 3 lengths. Zalinas in second. Moving a party outside third. Woodsy Ribbon. Jai Ho in the middle. Emergency call comes next. And going along for the first turn, we have Nabreka by Oralenka. And in second, still is Salinas. Moving up, Woodsy Ribonori outside third. Danori inside, emergency call. Jaiho, Viva Bola, and Midnight Break still racing in Nasa. They swing into the back. Nabreka by Oralenka. Salinas in second, emergency call. Woodsy Ribbon moving up party outside. Jaiho is racing in fifth. Viva Bola and Midnight Break. Nabreka, Salinas is running by Drell. Then coming closer in third is Woodsy Ribbon. Emergency call in fourth. Jaiho, Viva Bola and Midnight Break. Nabreka still in front by Olalenka Rehapa. Salinas, Woodsy Ribbon is already outside second. Jaiho in fourth. As they come down at the last 150. And it's still Nabreka moving up. Woodsy Ribbon already outside Jaiho. Nabreka, Woodsy Ribbon moving up already outside Salinas. Nabreka, Woodsy Ribbon is already outside. Woodsy Ribbon, Nabreka, Woodsy Ribbon moves up. And finally, Woodsy Ribbon, Nabreka, Jaiho.
5, 4, 6. Photo tayo for fourth malamang.
Ganun.
Ganun nga.